Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C Excel Module 1, getting started with the Excel. Basically, this is the first module of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So you have to watch this complete video if you want to get this done for you. Now let's start the assignment. So click start button. So first of all, we are supposed to download the files for this assignment. So there are two files. One is the instruction file, that is the Word document, and other one is the solution file, that is the Excel workbook. So I will click download all to download these files. So let me open the instruction file first. So new perspectives, Excel 365/2021, Module 1, SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. And the title of the assignment is Tabula Insurance Agency. Tabula Insurance Agency. And we are supposed to enter and update company data in this assignment. So getting started with the assignment, we are supposed to download and open the Excel workbook NPEX 365 2021 CT1C. So as you know that I have already downloaded this file. So you can download this from course dashboard. So this is the file that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So you have to download this Excel workbook if you want to get this assignment done for you. So as I have already downloaded this, now all the questions will be solved in this Excel workbook, and we will make the Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So first task is to download this file, then we will start doing the assignment. So in getting started section, we are just supposed to download and open this Excel workbook. So I have downloaded and opened this. So now you can see that there is nothing else to do in getting started section of the assignment. Now main part of the assignment is project steps to complete this assignment. And total steps to complete this assignment are 19. So we are supposed to complete or solve 19 questions to get this assignment ready for the submission. So now I will start doing the questions, and you are just supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. Now let's start doing the questions. So step number 1. As the office administrator, you use Excel to maintain personal data and summarize cash flow. You are finalizing the personal and cash flow worksheet for the current week. The personal worksheet needs cleaning up. Start by moving the two cells of the title information on the column to left. Resize the column to best fit newly included information. So first thing, we are supposed to move to the personal worksheet. So now you can see that B1 and B2 has the title of this worksheet Tabula Insurance Agency. We are supposed to move the content of B1 up to B2 into the column left, that is column A, so into A1 and A2. So first of all, we will select B1 and B2, go to Home tab and click Cut. Now click or select A1 and A2 and click Paste. Now you can see that we have moved the content of cell B1 and B2 into A1 and A2. Now next thing is to make column B as autofit, so that all the content in column A should be readable easily. So for this we will select column A, go to Home tab. In Sales Group, click Format. From here, you can see the auto fit column width. So I will click on that. So now you can see that column A is auto fit now, and all the content in column A is now readable. So that is all about step number 1 of this assignment. So we are done with first step. Now let's move to second step. Change the width of column containing salaries to match the width of column containing commissions. This is column C that has a commission. We can see that commission column has a width of 16. Okay. Now we are supposed to match with this one. To match with this one, we are supposed to make column B as 16 as well. So we will select column B. We will go to the Format tab, and in Cells go to Format and click column width, and we are supposed to make column B as 16 point. So now you can see that column B and column C has the width of 16. So we were supposed to change the width of column B to match with the column that has commission, that has column C, that is column C. So we have changed the width of column B to 16 point. So now all the content in column B is readable. So that is all about step number 2. Now let's do step number 3. The salary and commission columns need to be completed. Enter the data shown in table 1 in the appropriate cells. Notice saying the salary and the commission columns need to be completed. Salary and commission columns need to be completed. Now you can see that there are missing values in salaries and commission column. So now we are supposed to copy these values, or we are supposed to enter these values that are given in table 1 into the corresponding cells. So now we are supposed to enter this into cell B14. So I will start copying and keep pasting. So B14 I will paste here, then B15 paste here, then B16 paste here. Okay, now column C, C14 paste here, C15 paste here, and the last one is C16 paste here. Okay, so we have pasted all the values, we have copied and pasted here. You can simply enter as well. So that is all required in step number 3. We were supposed to copy these values into the corresponding cells. So we are done with step number 3. So now let's do step number 4. And step number 4 is saying the email need to be filled in as well. Start by entering albert.luna@cengage.com in the corresponding cells. Fill the remaining emails using flash fill. So now we are supposed to enter the email addresses in column D starting from cell D5. So first of all, we will go to cell D5 and we will enter the first email, that is albert.luna@cengage.com. So I will type albert.luna@cengage.com. Okay. So I have entered the first email address in cell D5. So now we are supposed to use the flash fill so that we can get all other email addresses in column D. So to use the flash fill, we will select this range starting from D5 up to D16. So I have selected the range. Now go to the Home tab. In editing section, you can see this arrow. Click on that and you can see the flash fill option here. Click that. So now we got all the email addresses in column D using the flash fill. So we were supposed to get the email addresses in column D using the flash fill. So I got all the email addresses using the flash fill. So that is all about step number 4. So now let's do step number 5. Step number 5 is saying the column containing email could use a bit more space at the sides. Change the width to 36. Now we are supposed to change the width of column D to 36. So we will select column D, go to the home tab, and in format select column width, and here we are supposed to change this 32 to 36. So I will type 36, click OK. So now we have changed the width of column D to 36, and that is all required in step number 5 of this assignment. So we are done with 5 steps, and now we are going to do next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is saying the employee information table also needs show the total salary and total commission. Start by entering the word total under the final employee name. So employees names are given in column A, and final employee name is given in cell A16. So we are supposed to enter the word, that is total word, into the cell under the final employee name. That means we are supposed to enter the word total in cell A17. So I will type total here. Okay. And that is all about step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps of this assignment. Now let's do step number 7. Step number 7 is saying use a function to calculate the total salaries in appropriate cell. Now we are supposed to use a function to calculate the total salaries in appropriate cell. Use the same function to calculate the total commission. So now we are supposed to total all the salaries. These are the salaries, and we are supposed to total all the commission. This is the commission range. So first we are supposed to total the salaries. So we will go under the final salary, that is cell B17, and now we are supposed to total the salaries. So to total the salaries we will use the sum function. So type equal sign and type sum. So now you can see different sum functions. So double click on the first one. Okay, now we have entered the sum function. So now we are supposed to select the range for which we are going to get the total. That is starting from cell B5 ending at cell B16. I have selected the range. You can simply enter the range here. You can simply type the range here and press enter. So I got the total of all salaries given in column B. So now we are supposed to use the same function in cell C17. So to use the same function, so we will use the fill handle, that is this dot sign is showing the fill handle. So drag this dots to right in column C17. We got the total of commission. So that is all about step number 7. So we are done with step number 7 as well. Now we are going to do next step, that is step number 8. And step number 8 is saying to finish up the worksheet, as it should also show the total number of employees as well as the average commission. Start by entering number of employees in the top left shaded cell below the employee information table and average commission in the bottom left shaded cell. So first thing, we are supposed to enter number of employees in the top left shaded cell. Number of employees here. So we will type number of employees here. Number of employees here. So after typing number of employees here, we are supposed to type average commission in the bottom shaded cell. Average is it average commission? Yes, average commission. Okay, average commission. So we were supposed to type number of employees in the top shaded cell and the number of average commission in the bottom shaded cell under the implied table. So I have entered both of these into the corresponding cells. So in this video I have solved 8 steps for you. That means I have done half of the assignment for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your complete courses, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution. Thank you so much again.